Oh hi, I didn't see you there. I was just practicing mine on my Fusion scooter. I'm trying to go pro. Now watch this. Yeah, that's right. Cool Kid Canada here, gonna be changing my persona, gonna become Cool Kid Mathematics. Teach you how to do all this math, it's gonna be real great. Inequalities for this episode, gonna make you a genius, so you know. Yeah, that's right, math is real fun, gonna do it right now. Now for some math. Oh hi. Today we're going to be learning about inequalities and how to solve them. Oh, hi there. Today we're going to be learning about inequalities. We're going to define at least and at most. We're going to do basic number line graphs, such as skills as dot, open dot, and closed dot, and shading. Compound inequality graphs, absolute value inequalities. We're going to be graphing linear inequalities on a coordinate plane such as dashed, solid lines, and test points of shading. And we're going to explain the rules of solving inequalities. And in place of x, we're going to be using a thing I like to call Shaney. That is a Shaney. In this problem, we're going to be using one Shaney. Three Shaneys! And that is going to have an x at the end of it, equaling 9. There you go, an inequality. What you're going to do for this is, you're going to put the 3 Shaney over another 3 Shaney and bring it over to the other side under the 9 and put 3 more Shaneys. And divide that out, and that equals x equals 3 Shaneys. So now, that's that. Oh, hi there. We all know that the problem is 3x equals 9, the x being represented by Shaneys. Now, let's take what we have and do this problem. To make things simpler, we're just going to use the regular numbers 3 and 9. Oh, instead of Shaney. Nice! Now it's time for the math. As you can see, I'm at my job as captain of the USS Enterprise. Now we're going to do the math. At least means a certain amount or higher. At most means a certain amount or lower. Now for some open dot shading. For an example, x is greater than 3. Draw a line. Make it look like a line. Put arrows at the bottom of it. Then put a 3 in the middle, making an open circle. Don't shade it in, and then shade everything to the right. Now for some closed dot shading. Do x less than or equal to 2. Then you make a line, once again, just like in the previous equation. Put a dot in the middle, but this time shade it in and write a 2 under it. And then shade everything to the left. For compound inequalities, 1 is less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 5. Draw a line, once again, put 1 and 5 on the number line. Then shade the circles in, and then in between the 1 and 5, shade it. Here's another example. X is less than 1, or x is greater than or equal to 5. So what you have to do for that one, draw a line, put 1, put an equal distance between 5, just like in the last problem. Don't shade in the circle for the 1, but shade in the 1 for the 5. For the 1, shade everything to the left, and for the 5, shade everything to the right. Now on to some more math. Absolute value. X is less than 1. It could be also represented x is less than 1 or x is greater than -1. On that line you would put a 1, a -1, and put a decent amount of space in between them. And since they're not greater than or equal to, keep the circles open and shade everything in between. Alright. Now for coordinate plane graphing. The greater than or equal to sign means shade below. The less than or equal to sign means shade above. The greater than or equal to sign means a dotted line, or the greater than or equal to sign means shade above. I mean below. Below! No, I didn't. I said this one. No, I'm a teacher. Now for some coordinate plane bullshit. Y is less than or equal to x plus 2. You go on the line, make a coordinate plane. You go up 2, then over 1. And then you make a solid line, and then shade above. And then y less than x. Oh shit. Can we just record that part, like completely just cut that out? No.